le yu gile. Get rolling, come. Right, guys, I got something very unique for you. Here is something that these brothers of ours have designed. As you can see, you might come closer. So here, I don't know how I should put it, but I think it's a kind of motorbike, kind of bicycle. As you can see, there's a side mirror. So the side mirror works very well. Let's see what. Well sealed without any problem. The song playing in the background is a song of Muslim. So let's bring the camera closer. Focus here. When you're moving, you can press the indicator for the left. Check it is working. And also on this side, you can come this side. This side also. On the right hand side. So the same thing also happens in front. Here. So I think this is a very good achievement because a lot of time, first of all, it is cost reductive. Secondly, it saves the environment from climate change. You know, this fuel thing poses a lot of challenges. Down below here, I would like you to capture down below here. Is the music system. The music system and the bedroom is located here. So, it's a nice thing. Very affordable. You can enjoy your music at a cheaper cost. So, once you would like to hear something, take it inside. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.